I'm still on the hunt at the junkyard for the 2015 Sentra Nissan gear shifter. I'm almost at the back of the junkyard. I gotta go to road 341. I found a couple more in the 2014 and the 2016. But when it comes to newer cars, you gotta go to the exact same year, get the exact same part. It could be one wire off that ain't right. So I like to get the parts off the exact same vehicle instead of guessing. You don't want to take the parts off a vehicle and get to the vehicle, hook it up, and then it don't work right. Then you look real close. A couple of wires got different colors to it, meaning they control different things. So if the parts come off of 2015, it's best to get them off another 2015. Save you a lot of headache and time. When they made all 2015 vehicles, they made all of them exactly the same with the exact same parts. 2 more rows to go. Got to get to row 341. We're on 342. This 341. Now let me look for a Nissan Sentra. '15 Sentra. Here we go. And this sucker been in a wreck. And it just got to the junkyard. So that's a good motor and good transmission in here. There we go. Let's see. Yep, here we go. Now I gotta go get my tools, come back and get this one off. Oh, shoot. Oh. Nope, this is gonna be the wrong one. Let's say SR. I need an SV. The gear shifter hole look a little bit different.